Greetings, I'm Francesca, and in this video we'll explore the key elements of community participatory development. Join me to learn about effective community participation. This module outlines the first part of a comprehensive framework for fostering effectiveness of community participatory development. Part 1 highlights the definition of key aspects of community participatory development. Part 2 establishes a foundation by exploring participatory development, principles and approaches. Part 3 delves into key principles and elements of community participatory development. Imagine a world where communities are not just recipients of development projects, but active participants in shaping their own future. This is the core idea behind participatory development, an approach that moves beyond traditional top-down models and places power directly in the hands of the people most affected by development initiatives. What is participatory development? Participatory development is a collaborative process where communities are actively involved in all stages of development, from identifying needs and priorities to designing solutions and implementing projects. This approach is grounded in the belief that local communities possess a wealth of knowledge and experience about their own context, making them critical partners in achieving sustainable progress. Key features. Community-centered. Participatory development flips the script on traditional development models. Instead of experts dictating solutions, this approach starts by listening to the voices of community members. Their lived experiences, concerns, and knowledge become the foundation for development initiatives. Inclusive and participatory. Gone are the days of one-size-fits-all solutions. Participatory development ensures all voices are heard and respected. This could involve community meetings, focus groups, or even creative workshops to encourage participation from diverse groups within the community. Action-oriented. Participatory development isn't just about talk. It's about taking concrete steps towards positive change. By working collaboratively, communities identify practical solutions and develop action plans to address their priorities. Participatory development is not a quick fix. It requires time, effort, and a willingness to share power. However, the potential benefits are immense. By empowering communities and harnessing their collective knowledge, we can build a more just, equitable, and sustainable future for all. Let's work together to turn the principles of participatory development into a reality. After an introduction to the terminology and the various definitions related to community participatory development, here are some functions on a core set of principles and approaches that move power and decision-making authority closer to the communities directly impacted by development initiatives. Here's a breakdown of some key elements. A. Empowering civil society. Community engagement. Groups, organizations, and individuals within a community are actively involved in all stages of the development process, from identifying needs to implementing solutions. Negotiation and influence. Participatory development fosters a space for dialogue and negotiation with institutions and bureaucracies. Communities gain a voice in shaping public policy and holding governments accountable. B. Local knowledge and effective solutions. Harnessing local expertise. The process recognizes the value of local knowledge and experience. Communities contribute their understanding of the context, challenges, and resources to inform the design of development programs. Increased effectiveness and sustainability. By incorporating this local knowledge, projects become more relevant, efficient, and sustainable in the long run. Communities are more likely to buy in and take ownership of solutions they helped create. C. Collaboration and capacity building. Inclusive spaces. Creating safe and inclusive spaces is crucial for ensuring all voices are heard, regardless of background or social standing. Capacity building. Empowering communities requires equipping them with the tools they need to participate effectively. This could involve training in communication, project management, or other relevant skills. Shared decision-making. Development workers and community members work together as equals, fostering a collaborative approach to decision-making and problem-solving. By adhering to these principles and approaches, participatory development empowers communities to become active participants in shaping their own future, ultimately leading to more just, equitable, and sustainable development outcomes. After an introduction and definition, passing through principles and approaches, what are the key principles and elements of community participatory development? Community participatory development is an empowering approach to development that places decision-making authority in the hands of the communities most affected by development initiatives. Here are the key principles and elements that define community participatory development. Principles. Empowerment. Community participatory development fosters a shift in power dynamics, equipping communities with the tools and knowledge to participate meaningfully in the development process. Equity and inclusion. All voices within the community are valued and heard, regardless of background or social standing. Sustainability. Development initiatives are designed with long-term sustainability in mind, considering the social, economic, and environmental context. Elements. Community-centered. Needs, priorities, and knowledge of the local community serve as the foundation for development efforts. Participatory decision-making. Communities actively participate in all stages of development, from identifying problems to designing and implementing solutions. Capacity building. Communities are equipped with the skills and resources necessary to participate effectively, such as training in communication, project management, or literacy. Monitoring and evaluation. Progress is continuously monitored and evaluated with community feedback, allowing adaptations to ensure programs remain relevant and meet local needs. Collaboration. Development workers and community members work together as partners, fostering a shared sense of ownership for development outcomes. By adhering to these principles and elements, community participatory development fosters a sense of agency within communities, leading to more effective and sustainable projects. Local knowledge improves project design, leading to solutions that are more relevant and likely to succeed in the long run. Stronger civil society. Participation empowers communities to engage with institutions and advocate for their needs, strengthening the fabric of civil society. Increased equity and social justice. Inclusive decision-making ensures development initiatives address the needs of all community members, leading to more equitable outcomes. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in community engagement. Visit the PromEnhance website at www.promenhance.eu to learn more great stories of community engagement.